Good day everyone! I'm Piga, a third-year student, and I'm currently taking Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. And for today's video guys, under the subject of clothing construction, I'll be showing to you how to use sewing machine and what are the causes and remedies of sewing machine. So without further ado, let's start! To start sewing, the first step is find the power switch. But since this is the traditional one, all we need to do is set the rubber in the machine wheel. The next step is to put the thread into the spool pin. Then drag the thread tip to the thread guide at the top to bottom in a circular motion around the tape up level until the thread is in the needle bar. So after we've finished the threading the needle bar, we are now ready to insert the thread to the eye of the needle. And of course, we need to hold the ends of two tips of thread to keep them from retracting while sewing. Dito, hindi ko na na-videohan paano i-insert yung fabric, pero to start sewing, kailangan natin ibaba yung pressure foot into the fabric and then we need to pull yung balance wheel ng dahan-dahan at pagkatapos natin i-balance ang wheel, kailangan natin i-press yung foot pedal while sewing. So, foot pedal na tinatawag, ito yung magiging speed control natin na kung saan kapag mabilis natin i-press ay mas madali din mag-function ang needle nito. Habang nagtatahi tayo, kailangan natin i-pull up yung fabric nang sa ganon hindi ma-stuck yung thread nito. At kapag tapos na tayong magtahi, itaas ang pressure foot tapos i-cut ang thread using scissor. While I'm sewing, the problem that I encounter is that the thread stuck in the fabric, na kung saan kahit iikot natin ang wheel nito ay hindi pa rin nagfa-function ang needle nito. So, the solution for this is to check the bobbin case at nakita ko na nagkabuhol-buhol na yung thread nito kaya tinanggal at inayos ko na ito nang sa ganun may pagpatuloy ko na ang aking pagtatahi. And that's all for today's video. I hope that you learned something. Thank you for watching!